Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to do your Google Sites. Now we know you've done this in your TA class before to make your website for your student-led conference portfolio. So hopefully none of this is new, but I'm just going to walk you through the process again in case you forgot. The easiest way to get to Google Sites, is you can do it through your email, but it's also, if you just Google Sites, it'll pop up. You want to go to New Google Sites, so click on that. Okay, and then I'll bring up all your sites you have. You can see my TA students' portfolios. Then we're going to go down here to this plus button and create a new Google site. And it will bring that up there for us. So the first thing I want to do is title my site, and I'm going to title it my animal's name. So if I go, remember we give you links to our example. I'm going to look at our example. Oh yeah, so the Canada links in Utah. So I'm going to just make up an animal, Snowy Owl. And then for my site's name, I am going to say Snowy Owl Hoot Project for my theme. Now, I kind of don't like this background and stuff. So there's lots of different things that I can do. But I can header type. Oh, I can do large banner. I can do title only. I mean, or just cover. That is fun. So lots of different options there. I'm going to keep it that way. But I'm going to do change image. And you can upload an image. Let's say I have an image on my computer already. I can do that. Or I can do select image. So I'm going to do that. And I can look up on Google, and then let's see, I can open up another tab and look in Google Images, and then just copy and paste the URL, or I can do search, and I'm going to type in Snowy Owl. And, I'm going to pick, let's see, this picture to be my header. Ooh, so cool. Oh, and I just thought, man, I should probably put my name in here just in case. So I'm going to put by Miss Kirkman. So I'm going to put by Miss Kirkman right in there. So I have my name in there as well. And I want my name to be centered. And you can change it to be whatever kind of text and all that stuff you want to. That's up here. I'm fine with that right now. Okay, so now looking at our example, right, our home page, we're going to have our paragraphs on it that we wrote, our 3 paragraphs that we've been working on for a long time. And then my second page is going to be home policy proposal, and my last page will be adaptations. So I'm going to go back to my website here, and now I need a place to write my paragraphs. So I'm going to go over here to this, and this gives me some different layouts that I can have. And so I click on that, and you can drag it over here too. But now I have a place to put pictures and to edit my text. So like I can put paragraph 1. This one I can put my paragraph 2. Okay, and you get the idea. All right, and so now I can go and open up my Google Doc that had my 3 paragraphs in and just copy and paste them right into here, which will be super awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to also add some pictures, and I have different things. I can even add a YouTube video. So I'm just going to do select image again. Okay, and I'm going to do Google image search, and I am going to search for Snowy Owl. Bum, bum, bum. Ooh, lots of cool pictures. Let's do this one. Okay, insert. And there we go. Okay, so that's what you can do for your first page. Then to get a second page, I have to go to pages. So I click on this. I'm going to click on the little plus sign. And then I'm going to call my new page policy proposal. So policy proposal, and hit done. Okay, then I got that. I'm just going ahead and add my last page while I'm adding adaptations. Okay, done. All right, so I have my 3 pages that I needed. So I'm going to go into my policy proposal website. Go there. Okay, now what I can do, because you should have it already saved on your Google Drive from where you typed it into the form in my class. So we're going to go to insert, and I want to do, you can do embed or drive. So I am going to go with drive because there's lots of different ways we can do things, but I think drive is going to be the easiest. Okay, and then I have saved in here my policy proposal. So I'm going to find that. There we go. That's right here. And I'm going to insert. Okay. And then here is my policy proposal. Now I kind of like want to make it a little bit bigger because I kind of hate it not being the full page. So then I can make it this as big as I want. Okay, so then you can adjust that however you would like. And then if you want to come down here and add, maybe I want to add some pictures at the bottom, I can come and do that. Okay. All right. Then you can move on to your adaptations page. So I can go back to pages. Okay. And then adaptations. Hopefully, there we go. And add what I need for my adaptations page. So I can go back here and look here, adaptations. Oh, okay, here's my, I need to have these two things, and I can't forget to include my sources. All right, so don't forget to make sure that you look at the example and make sure that you also look at the instructions that we gave you to make sure you include everything for your website. And good luck, guys.